Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Yes.
Good morning, Anji.
Yeah, fine, that's fine. So in yesterday class, we are discussing about REST API Explorer. So we have covered get, post, put methods. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about patch method and delete method. Then after we're going to REST messages. Okay. Now I'm going to REST API Explorer. I'm selecting patch method. So basically put method and patch method both are used to update a record. If it is a put method, so it will update entire record. And if it is a patch method, it will update a specified columns only. Okay. I'm going to instant table. So we have to provide the idea for instant record. We have to update. So here I'm going to instant table. So for example, I'm taking idea for this instant record copy sysad. So I'm pasting here. Okay. So I'm planning to update short description. Okay, maybe category. I'm giving description also. So here I'm providing only three columns. I'm updating only three columns. Whatever the columns we are planning to update in real time, yes, you can update. Okay. Now you can see I'm clicking on send for data. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Now you can come and refresh here. You can check the data is modified. Data is modified or not. Please tell me here. You can see this one, this one. We open this, so description also modified. Okay. Yes, you can see welcome to patch the description also. Yes. So the message is 200. This is the request body. This is the request body we sent. Okay. This is the request body we sent. And this is the method, patch method. Okay. So this is the response body we received. Okay, this is the response body we received. Now I'm going to Servicenow scripting here. So I'll copy entire logic. I will paste it in our notepad. Okay. Paste. Okay. Yes. Any queries with patch method, please let me know. So I'm also changing this value. Copy, paste it. So if you copy paste this logic to your note, your background script in your instance background script, so then it will work. Okay. Yes. Next, delete method. Guys, I need one Servicenow instance. I need one Servicenow instance. Please provide one Servicenow instance details for the integration. Okay, and you must join these 2 days classes and you must need to wake up your instance. Okay, give me instance. Next method is delete. Saving it. So delete method is used to delete a record. You can come here, delete a record. Simply select table name. This area of instance. Paste it here. So here we don't require to pass any request body. You simply send. The incident record will be deleted. Okay. You can come to Servicenow scripting. You can copy it. Wait. Copy. Paste it. Okay. Perfect. Mm, Okay, this is delete related code. Yes, this is about generating APIs, and when users ask us to send API details, yes, you have to provide this endpoint, method name, basic authentication details, request headers. Okay, and request body also. Now we are navigating to REST messages. Now we are navigating to REST messages. Yes, please provide one service to instance details. Please provide one service to instance details. Now I'm going to REST message. So REST message. Okay. Under system web services, we have outbound. System web services. REST message. Okay. REST message table name is system underscore REST underscore message. Copying it and pasting here. Next, HTTP method table and also convert. Okay. So for example, I'm opening some REST message. Okay. I'm opening some HTTP method also, some method also. So HTTP methods table and sys underscore REST underscore message underscore function. Table name, it should be this. Save it. Next, I'm closing all the tabs. So still I didn't receive any of your service instances. That's fine. Please send me one of your service instances. Yes, who is providing service instance? Please provide. Jayashree, are you going to join classes for next 2 days? Surely.
Yes, Sanji.
So please don't option for the classes, okay? For next
Okay.
2 days. Why? Because of so every day I required your instance up to completion of integration classes, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, fine. So username and password should be admin training at the rate of 123, right?
I just kept some other password. You want me to change that?
Yes.
Okay.
Anji, I have provided.
So yes, Ramkrishna, your instance password and all same, right? Training at the rate of 123.
Yeah,
Okay.
they are
And
same.
are you able to join for next 2 to 3 classes without option?
Yeah,
That's when then I will use this one. Can you mute yourself? Yeah, it's okay, Jayshree. I'm using Ramakrishna instance, no problem.
Okay.
Now, yes, the password and everything is same. It's like that's fine. Now you can see. Now I'm going to create a new service, no, new REST message. New REST message. Okay, and my REST message name I'm saying this. Okay, for remembering, I'm keeping this is my REST message name. Okay, endpoint. You have to provide an endpoint. Right. What is the endpoint format? Please tell me. Tell me, guys. What is endpoint format? Okay, this is endpoint. So I'm trying to connect with the basic instance table to Ramakrishna instance. Okay, so I'm going to new. So I will tell 88 455. So training the rate of 1. Okay, I'm submitting it. So here I have here there are 2 types of authentications: basic authentication and root authentication. Okay, yes. So first of all, we will also know the table name of basic authentication. Okay, sys underscore auth underscore profile underscore basic. This is basic authentication table. I will note down here. I'm saving it. Okay. Yes. Now you can come here and we have to provide some HTTP request address. Yes. Content type. So if you don't know how to provide this content type and all, you can go to the notepad and so here you can see content type and accept. You see here, okay, content type. You can copy this one, you can paste it there. Okay. Even if you haven't provided this, so by default it will take content type is application/JSON. Okay. Yes. Accept. Another one is accept. Application/JSON. Open it. Okay. Yes, I'm saving it. I have successfully created REST message. Whenever the REST message was created, default get method will automatically create. Default get method will automatically create. I'm opening this default get. Okay. Now you can come here. Yes, authentication type is inherited from the parent. Now I'm going to HTTP request. So here, if you want to provide any request addresses, you can provide. Like we have content type and accept, right? So I'm providing those. Okay. And type SEC accept. Okay. Now you can save this get method. You can scroll down. You can test it. So entire data, entire instant data from Ramakrishna's instance will appear here. Okay. Yes. Now you can see we have successfully connected to Ramakrishna instance and we bring this data. Control A, Control C, Control A, Control C. Now I'm keeping this response body in online JSON editor. Okay. For your observation. Okay. Control A, delete Control A. Copy. So how many instances are there in Ramakrishna instance? 71 instances are there. Okay. We can check whether we have 71 instances or not in Ramakrishna instance. Okay. Yes, I'm copying it. So I'm pasting here. Yes. How many instances are there in Ramakrishna instance? Tell me guys. 71. We have received 71 instances or not in response body. Tell me. Yes, we have received 71 instances. Okay, perfect. So for this, we have auto-generated code. You can click on preview script uses and you can see the logic. How it should like. I'm copying this code and pasting into Notepad. So now I'm removing commented code. Okay, yes, this is the logic to get all the instance, okay. Response, status, keeping this also along with this. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no? So this script, I'm saving it. Okay. For example, here we have received all the instance. Here we have received all the instance. Now I want to receive the instance based upon the filter condition. Okay. Maybe I want only software category instance. Maybe I want only software category instance. How many instances are there? Tell me guys, 13 instances are there. Okay, that too. So I want only P1 instance. Category is software and priority is P1. For example, I want only these instances. Okay, yes. How to go there and you can provide here data. So category, we have to provide the filter conditions in the HTTP query parameters. CATE 0 category is software. Priorities is 1. Okay, got it everyone? Yes. You want to send the data based upon the filter criteria. So you have to provide that filter criteria in HTTP query parameters. Okay, you can test it. Then you will get only those instances. Yes. Control A, Control C. You can check how many instances came. Control A, delete, Control V, copy. How many instances it received? Tell me guys. How many instances it received? 7. Yes or no? Okay, here how many instances are there? 7. Okay, got it everyone? Based upon the filter criteria, how we are getting instance. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So we can also look into this logic. Okay. So you can go to the previous tutorials. So this is the code. Okay. Code is same, so there is no change in code actually. So for showing, I'm just showing by copy pasting. Okay. So there is no change in code. Okay. Perfect. Now we can come here that the filter criteria here I have given statically. Now I want to provide dynamically this filter criteria. Okay. Yes. At that time, you have to keep dynamic values here. For example, so $. So I'm saying PRIORITG. Now here you can see. Now here I'm saying $, double quotes, $, category. Okay. So I'm saving it. Okay. Now you can command auto generate variables. You can click on auto generate variables. Those auto generated variables will appear in the variable substitutions. You can provide the test values. For example, what I'm saying, now I want hardware tickets, for example. Now I want hardware tickets. And priorities, maybe priority is 1. Okay. Yes. Now we can check. Now I'm testing it. We'll see how many tickets we will receive. How many tickets are there with priority 1 and categories hardware? 0 tickets are there. Maybe we can maintain same filter criteria here. Okay. Right. Hardware show matching. Wait, it's loading. Right. Category hardware instance of 10. From this, show matching. Critical is 1. Yes, we have instance, but we haven't received the response properly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 5 records are there, but in the response it is saying empty. Maybe I feel it is because of this double quotes. Okay, I feel it because of double quotes. So I will remove double quotes here. Okay. So now you can come and test it here. Now we will get those 5 records. properly. Yes. Control A, Control C. Copy. Now we can see how many items are there here. How many instance records are there? 5. Yes, we received 5 or not? Yes. Okay, so we can see 5 records are there. Okay, perfect. So I'm also copying this logic. So you can go to the previous script usage. So this is the logic. Copying it, pasting here. 5 you don't require it. Okay. So you have to add these 2 lines also. This is based upon the filter criteria. Okay, this is based upon the filter criteria. For example, you want to get only one incident record details. Okay, you want to get only one incident record details. Okay, then you have to keep. Then we don't require this query parameters. Okay. Yes. Directly here you can provide the sys ID of that incident record. For example, I want this incident record details. Okay, I want this incident record details. I'm open. Wait. Yes. You can copy this incident record sys ID from here. And after endpoint, you can keep this instance sys ID. Okay. And you can save this get method. Okay, so here we have variable substitutions, but now we are not using that variable substitutions. Again, you can click on auto generated variables. That 2 variables will gone because of we are not using that 2 variables now. Okay. Yes. Now test it. Only that incident record details will appear. So you can see somewhere you will found incident number. Yes, you can see 7001. Okay, we received only one incident record details. Yes, here sys you have provided statically. Now I want to provide dynamic sys here. Okay, dollar of I'm saying sys id dollar of sys. I'm saving this rest message. Now this time I'm providing sys dynamically. Now you can come under auto generate variables. Here you can copy the sys. Okay, here you can copy the sys of that particular record. Wait. Now you can save this record. Now you can test it. Yes. This time also we received same record details. Okay, got it everyone? Yes. Yes or no? So now also you can copy the previous script uses. Okay. That's the ID related line. We'll add in the script. Copy query. Paste here. Okay. Any queries up to now? Please tell me. This is start with the static content. This is with some filter criteria. This is with retrieving only particular sys ID. Okay. Here, if you want to keep only particular sys ID with this filter criteria, then you can keep this line in the above statement. Okay. You can simply this line here. That's fine. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes. Any queries from get method? Please let me know. So you can see the code. Any queries from get method? No? Okay. Now I'm going to post method. Yes. Now can come here. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. Now I'm going to create a post method. I'm clicking on new button. Okay. Post method. You can say create. I will say create. Okay. Post. Method name is post and I'm copying endpoint from here. Okay. Copy endpoint. And you can paste it here. Okay. Authentication inherit from parent. So from the REST message, authentication is bringing here HTTP request status content py the content type. Next, accept. Okay. Yes, in the value I'm providing application / JSON. Accept application / JSON. Okay. So now here we have to provide the details. What are the things you are planning to send while creating an instant record? Maybe a caller ID. Okay, maybe caller ID. Send it. Next, category. Next, maybe impact. Urgency. Next, short description. Okay, maybe. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, these values is fine. Caller ID and copying some user ID. Okay, user sys ID. Sys underscore user dot list. Okay. Maybe I'm taking Anji's user sys ID. Okay. Where is post method? Yes. So here I'm providing category. Maybe I'm providing software. Impact. Maybe I'm providing one. Urgency. I'm providing one. Short description. Welcome to. I'm saying something like welcome to REST message. Post method. Okay. Generally, guys, so if we are doing some integrations, if you come here, I'm going to Ramakrishna instance and configure form layout. We have two fields. We have form layout. I'm going to form layout. And we have two fields called correlation ID and correlation display. If we are sending some integration communication to other system, we will store our instant record ID and our record sys ID in the other system also. Okay. Basically, now we are in Ramakrishna, we are integrating with Ramakrishna instance, and in Ramakrishna instance, or even in our instance, so we have two fields, correlation ID and correlation display. Okay, whatever the record we are creating via integration, we have to keep that record sys ID and that record number into the correlation display and correlation ID fields. Okay, now I'm bringing first those fields to front in the Ramakrishna instance. Okay, correlation ID and correlation display. I'm bringing this. Maybe I will bring this before end split, I can say. Okay, I'm saving it. But so you can see Ramakrishna after integration completed, so you can keep these fields hidden. Okay, so no, we will not keep these fields in form. Okay, these are the hidden fields actually when we are doing integrations. Now I will also send these two fields data. Okay, yes, correlation display. display. Right. Correlation display. No. So basically this time I'm not doing. So this is static content, right? Now I'm not doing. So while writing some real-time example at that time, I will use those two picks. Okay, perfect. I'm saving it. So this correlation ID, correlation display will help us for tracking record ID and sys ID. Okay. So I will use that fields while explaining one real-time integration example. Till I'm saving it. Now you can come here and test it. Okay, one incident record should be created in other system, that is in Ramakrishna's instance. So you can see the instance should be like INC 00100014. This is the instant created. Wait, I'm closing this. Again, I'm going to instant Ramakrishna instance. We'll check whether our instant is created or not. Okay. So yes, welcome to REST message post method. Caller. So here caller Anji user is not there, I hope. No, here it is there, right? Maybe caller is different. Here caller's side is different, their caller's side is different. That's why it is not populated. That's fine. You can say priority one is one, category is software. Okay. So if Anji's SysID here and in Ramakrishna instance both are same, then it should be display here. Maybe next time I will take Abel Tutor SysID, then it will appear. Okay. Now we can come here. Now we have sent this content statically. Now we send this content statically. You can come to previous script uses and you can see how the REST message script looks like. Okay. So copy it. Paste it. This is a static script. Okay, so those variables are not appearing in this message script. Okay, now you can see that fields information I will provide dynamically. That fields information I will provide dynamically. The caller ID. So I'm saying caller ID. Here I'm saying something like caller. Category, I'm saying $of. Category. Impact, I'm saying $of. Impact. Okay. Urgency, I'm saying $of. Okay, short description, I'm saying something like $of short description. Okay. Short description. Now I'm saving this content. Now I'm saying auto generate variables. You can come here, it is created. Yes, caller SysID, I will copy Abel Tutor SysID because of Abel Tutor SysID, Abraham Lincoln SysIDs are common in the both the systems. That's why I'm taking this. Okay, it's test value. So you can say category and taking hardware this time. Okay. Impact I'm taking maybe 3. Urgency also short description. Testing post method. Okay. Yes. Urgency. I'm taking 3. That means priority will come 5. Okay. I'm saving it. Now you can come and test this one. Yes. 201. One record is created. That record number is 10015. Ends with 10015. You can come and refresh here. The incident is created or not with Abel Tutor, hardware, priority is 5. Okay. Yes or no? Yes, record is created successfully. Okay, now I will copy this previous scriptures. Going to previous scriptures. Yes, copy. Guys, I'm avoiding try and catch methods because so if you feel difficult, if you see more lines of code here, okay, that's what I feel, and I'm removing try and catch. In real time, we will keep try and catch methods as well. Okay. Yes. Keeping these two lines also. So if you are doing some integrations every time, you have to log some messages. Okay, even in some situations, if you get any issues, so this log messages will help you when this issue is occurred and all. Okay, that's why I'm keeping your. This is about post method. You have any queries here? Please let me know. Next, I'm going to put method. Put is used to update a record. Put is
Hello,
used.
Anji.
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, Sai Krishna, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, I just know you have mentioned about try and cast method, right? So may I know why those methods are used, like
Which method we are talking about?
try and catch method?
Yeah,
Just
try and catch method. So basically, if we get any errors, okay, if we get any errors, it will throw that error in catch. Okay, for not getting any issues, so we'll use the try and catch methods. Okay, we have 4 functionalities. I hope: try, catch, finally throw. These 4 methods are related. Okay, so maybe you can go to Google and you can search for these methods: try, catch, throw, finally. Okay, generally we will use try and catch. So if we make any code in the try method within try, so if you get any difficulties or any errors, it will try to execute. Okay, if we get any issues, it will be captured in catch method. Okay, got it?
oh, okay,
And it will send you the message.
okay.
Yes, that's fine. Next, you can see put method. Put method. Yes, now I'm going to do the put method. I'm closing this. Wait. Now we don't require this. We are talking about only one record, right? Put and patch. So now we don't require this one. This is Ramakrishna instance. This is users. That's fine. Keep it here. Now I'm going to REST message. Again, opening this one. I'm going to create a new method. Put update. I'm saying update. Okay. I'm taking method put. So I'm copying endpoint from here. Okay. Yes. Authentication is inherited from parent, and here I'm providing HTTP request status. What I'm providing content content type. Yes, accept app registration / JSON.
దీన్నే అమ్మా 7 గంటల వరకు ఉంటుంది, అయిపోయిన తర్వాత పోయి రావచ్చు.
I'm saving it. Now I'm provide. So if it is a put method, definitely you have to keep some sysid here.
దగ్గరనే
Sorry, please, somebody getting noise. So please mute yourself. I'm copying it. This is sysid, and I am pasting here. Okay. Yes, I want to update this record details. Okay. Now you can come. So I'm keeping maybe category. I want to change category, for example. maybe short description. Okay, that's fine. Two fields are enough. You've already seen keeping multiple fields here. Okay, maybe category. I'm saying database. We have category, right? No, we don't have category. I hope. Maybe I'm saying network. Okay, so here I'm saying description. Welcome to put method. Okay, yes. Here we have to provide syside. Yes, this syside we have provided. Now you can come and save here. Whenever we submit this test message, the data will update. Now you can come and test here. The card should be updated. You can see. You can come here and you can see. Category is changed and short description is also changed. Okay. Yes. Next. Now I want to provide. Yes. Again, I'm previewing the script usage and I will copy this code to Notepad. Okay. It is loading. So now you can see, now I'm sending this message dynamically. Okay, now I'm sending this message dynamically. Here I'm providing $of sys ID. Okay, $of sys ID. Now you can come here, category $of CATE 0 category. Okay, next. Short description $of SHOR short DES short description. Okay, I'm saving this HTTP put method first of all. Then I'm generating a auto-generated variables. Okay, yes. So we have category database. This time I will provide category database. Okay. Now you can come here. So category I'm providing database. So in the short description I'm saying welcome to information science. Okay. I'm providing instant records side. Copying it. And pasting here. Okay. Then you can save this HTTP method. Then you can test it. So 200 success. You can come here. Category got changed and short description also changed. Okay. Yes. Now I'm trying to copy the previous script usage. Yes. This is log step. It's okay. Paste it. Next patch method. I'm going to patch method. Any queries in the put method? So patch method also same. It is also for updating a record. Yes. Now I'm just going to this method only and I will modify the method details patch and here I also modify. Okay. I'm simply saying insert and stay. I'm simply saying insert and stay. Okay, then patch method is created. Now we can come. Now I'm keeping auto-generated variables. Sys ID. I'm copying this sys ID and I'm pasting here. Short description. I'm saying hello batch. Category. Maybe I'm providing software category. Okay. Guys, if you are getting heart symbol like this means these values are changed. Okay. If you see heart symbol anywhere, that value is changed. Okay. Before submitting this record. Now we can say I have provided all the values and I'm trying to test it. Test. Yes, 200. Now you can come here, category, change it to software, and here short screen color patch. Okay. This is our patch. Now I'm going to preview script to Sage. Okay. Okay. Save it. Next, you can say delete delete. Next method is delete. Save. So I'm closing this one. Even I don't record users. Now we can go to the rest message again. You can create a delete method here. I can create new HTTP method saying delete. Delete. This. Wait, cancel. Okay. Yes. So if it is a deleting instance, we have to provide sysID. I'm directly providing dynamic sysID. Okay. SysID. So guys, why like keeping variables like this? Okay. Whenever you are using this integration related script in any server side programming, at that time you can able to proceed with dynamic your own sysids, like your own whatever the record you are planning to delete. Yes, you can able to do it within that sysid if we provide variables like. So if we have provided sysid statically here, whenever you execute this script, okay, or whenever you execute this post method, delete method, so only it will go to that sysid only. Okay, that's why we have to provide variables, and within the variables we have to provide the data. So here we don't require the accept content type because of this is delete method. Okay, now auto generate variables. So yes, variable is generated, and I'm copying this side. Copy this side. You can paste it here. Okay. So whenever we execute this, we will get 204 HTTP status code, and this record will be deleted in Ranksta instance. Okay. Yes, you can come here. You can test it. 204. Nothing will came in response. Even you can refresh this. This record is not found. Okay, deleted. Okay, even you can come here. This is the record, right? So now we have 73 records. We refresh list, we will see only 72. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to this delete method. I will copy the code to Notepad. Review script usage. Copy. Paste. So generally in this response body, you will not get anything that I'm keeping, no problem. Okay. This is delete method. So finally, this is about REST message, HTTP methods. Today we have discussed these methods with basic authentication. In tomorrow section, I will tell you with the OAuth authentication. Okay, with the OAuth authentication, I will tell you. with OAuth authentication, I will tell you the same, I will explain the same examples. Okay, with OAuth authentication. Here you can see OAuth 2.0. Okay, yes. Tomorrow we'll discuss that. And today I'm closing this REST message. Now I'm going to SOAP messages. Now I'm going to SOAP messages. Okay. Is it okay if I explain SOAP message 2 here? Yes or no? SOAP message is also similar to REST messages only, but there we will use XML format. Here we are using JSON. Okay. Yes. I'm going to SOAP message. Under system web services, we have outbound. So under outbound, we have SOAP message. Saving it. Then come here. SOAP message table name should be like sys_soap_message. Okay. Copy. Come here and paste it. Okay. And SOAP functions. Functions table. And basic authentication is same here. Now we can see. Now I'm going to new SOAP message here. Okay. So I'm taking Ramakrishna instance details only. Again. Copy. Wait, it's loading. Yes. So we have to provide WSDL. So in the REST message, we have provided endpoint, right? Here we have to provide WSDL /incident dot to question mark WSDL. Okay, this is WSDL URL. Okay, perfect. Episode message. Okay, come here. This is WSDL URL format we have provided. And name I'm providing like dev 88 455. Okay. Yes. Authentication basic. Yes, I'm using basic authentication. We already created. Okay. Why am I not getting? Wait. We already created, right? Oh my God. We are creating this this in dev 88. Okay, but this is wrong. We have to provide this in our instance. I'm removing this. I'm going to our training service instance and I'm creating. So this. I have provided this URL. Now you can say my SOAP message dev 88 455. Okay. Yes, so authentication is basic and we already have our authentication details there. Okay, I'm providing it. And I'm saving this and I'm saving this. Where once you saved SOAP message, it will ask to generate a sample SOAP messages. Yes, you have to click on generate sample SOAP messages. Yes, it's loading. Yes, SOAP messages generated. Okay, SOAP messages generated. That's fine. Now you can see we have get records, get keys. Okay, we have multiple methods. Now I'm going to get records method first of all. Okay, I'm going to get records method and authentication type I will select as basic. And I'm providing the basic authentication details here. Here we don't have option like inherited, okay? So that's why. So yes, I have selected authentication. And you can come here and you can auto-generate variables. You can auto-generate variables here for get records. Yes. Yes, auto-generated variables are created. Now, for example, now I'm testing it. Now we can see what happens. We'll get 200 success message. Okay. So message. Okay. Yes, we got the success message 200. Okay. Here the response will always in this XML. Okay. So next, for example, I want only one record information. Yeah. Okay, we have to provide the society here. Okay. Now I'm providing this record number ends with 1 for society. And I'm pasting here. Okay, test value. Now you can test it. Now you can see only that record information will get. Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes. This is get records. I'm closing this one and I'm opening get method. The get method also is used to get the data only. Okay. Here we have to provide only society. Here we have to provide only society. And I'm copying so functions table name. This is so function table name. I'm pasting here. Okay. Yes. So I will note down get function script also. Save. Now you can copy this society again. Copy society. Guys, if you want to generate auto-generated variables, yes, you can generate. Okay. Otherwise, you can provide directly here. You can provide society directly here. Okay. So for example, you can see maybe here also create auto-generated variables. That is best practice always. Okay. Creating auto-generated variables. And even, yes, here I have provided society. This one. We have For example, do you feel so we don't require unnecessary variables here? For example, I don't want this. You can remove whatever you don't want, you can remove. So whatever the fields data you are sending, you only keep that fields information here in the envelope. Okay. Others we don't require. For example, here I removed that view related. Now again, I'm keeping auto generated. If you want to keep auto generated, yes. Otherwise, you can keep society directly there. Okay, anything is fine. Okay. Now you can come and test it. So you can see what happens. This record information will come here. Okay. Yes. So, oh my God, 401. That means authentication issue, I feel. Here we haven't provided authentication basic. There. Save. I can come here and test it here. Yes, 200. You can see success message. So somewhere you will find that record number also, mostly. Yeah. That's fine. So it is 200. I'm copying this previous script. Actually, we don't require. And even guys, I haven't worked SOAP till now. But my friends work with SOAP messages. Okay, you may or may not get opportunity to work with SOAP real time. It's completely depends upon your organizational requirements. So I'm copying this REST message logs here. Okay, perfect. Next, you can say I'm going to insert. Next, I'm going to insert function. So insert function is used to insert the data. Okay. Yes, you can come here, insert. Now I'm providing authentication first of all, otherwise we'll get 401. Saving it. Now we can come here. Here we have many fields. Okay, you can generate auto-generated variables. Otherwise, you can keep whatever the columns you require here. Only those columns you can keep, whatever maybe. Okay, so maybe as of now I generated auto-generated variables. So I'm just keeping short description here. Okay, short. I will say welcome to SOAP. Okay, that's fine. I'm giving only one value. That's fine. I'm clicking on test here. Now you can see one record is created. 200 record is created. You can come here and you can check. So 10016 record is created. Welcome to SOAP. Okay, guys, got it. Yes, by using SOAP also we have created an instant record. Now I'm going to previous script usage and I will copy the script. So yes, previous script usage. So we don't require all these code. So you can say somewhere we have short description. You can, I'm only keeping that one. Remaining methods we don't require because of we are not sending any data with that. Okay, that's why I'm removing. Saving it. Next update record. Okay, next update. Save. You can come here. Now I'm going to update function. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to update function. So for this record, we don't have any so maybe I will change category and short description with this record. Okay. Let's update. First of all, I'm providing the basic authentication. Here I'm saying this. Okay. And for example, if you don't want unwanted variables, what are the variables you are not sending? If you want to remove from here, yes, you can remove. As of now, I'm not removing. I'm saving this. I will auto generate the variables. From here, short description. I'll come to so message. Date method. Okay, I'll come to so method. Saving. Wait, we are planned for category also, right? Maybe I'm providing software. Okay. If you want to keep other fields as well, yes, you can keep. Now I'm testing it. You can see the data will update. Yes, 200, 500. Oh my God. Yes, if it is the update method, we have to provide sysid, right? Yes, I'm copying this sysid. I will paste here. Okay. We got 500 because of we haven't provided sysid of that particular record. Okay. Star sys underscore ID. Test it here, then record will update. Okay. Yes, 200 success message. You can come here and you can see the record is updated. Okay, you can see welcome to SOAP update method and category change it to software. Okay, perfect. Now I will copy this script to Notepad. One. I already clicked on previous script to says, right? Yes. I'm copying this code. Copy. Okay, and then moving this. Short description. Yes. We're keeping only these 3 lines. That's fine. Copy. Then pasting them. Okay, this is about update. Next, you can see delete function. Yes, you can come here. And if it is a delete, it's simply deleting a record. Okay. Method name is delete record. Okay. So delete. Yes. So now I'm providing authentication basic. Saving it. Okay. Yes, I'm auto generating variables. And provide the side of this instant. Yes, you can come here and you can paste it. This instant card will be deleted. Okay, perfect. Now I'm testing it. You get 200 success message, 200 HTTP status, and this 10016 record is not there. It is deleted. Okay, yes. Now I will copy the script. Copying it. I'm pasting here. Okay. Yes, this is about delete record from SOAP functions. So I'm stopping class here, and first of all, I will take attendance. Okay. Three, 5, 0, 4, 20, 23. Okay, that's it. So I'm stopping class here. And from the integrations point of view, guys, as of now, you can prepare theory part and you can learn some basic syntaxes like what is like set string parameter or new SN underscore WS dot rest message b2. This kind of things you can learn, small things. Okay, small method names you can learn. Okay, syntax. You don't require to do all these things. Okay, once you get job, you can practice properly for the integrations. As of theory part is very important for the integrations in interviews. Okay, if you have time, you can practice practicals also for the integrations. If you don't have time, then at least you can learn the theory part. Okay. Yes. And tomorrow what I have to explain? Oath. Next step that if you have time to ask, real time. This I have to explain tomorrow. Yes, actually, for testing integrations, we have some third-party tools are there. If it is a REST message, if it is a REST message kind, so we have Postman tool. Okay, Postman tool. So if it is a SOAP, we have some tool for testing the SOAP messages. SOAP UI. Okay, wait, I will show you both. Postman tool. So this okay. This is the symbol for Postman tool. So I already have Postman tool. Yes, this is Postman tool. Okay. So within this Postman tool, we'll check the integrations, third-party integrations. Okay. For example, we are doing integrations in our system, right? Maybe in tomorrow I will show you one example. So how we have to do the integration by using Postman tool. Whenever one integration requirement came to you, first of all, you have to check this within the Postman tool. It's not mandatory. Best practice, you have to check with this Postman tool. Okay, whether we are able to connect to other system or not. Okay, once you are able to connect to other system and you get all the information, what we have to do and all, then you can start doing integration within the system. Okay, yes. This is for REST messages, and for SOAP message, we have SOAP UI. Okay, SOAP UI. This tool will help us for checking the third-party SOAP integrations. Okay, so I haven't used the SOAP UI anywhere till now, but my friends in my offices they used. Okay, yes. Okay, guys. So we have 3 minutes time. If you have any queries, please ask me. And mostly integrations will complete by day after tomorrow. Okay. Thursday integrations will complete. Okay. Next, we have 2 days time. Friday, Saturday. So if syllabus completed by Friday, Saturday, that's fine. If syllabus will not complete, I will also take the class on Sunday. Okay. Yes, maybe we require only 4 to 5 classes. Okay, guys, any queries, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll close this call. And tomorrow we'll discuss about integrating Postman tool, like checking, testing the integration with Postman tool, scripted REST API, both authentication, and I will, if we have time, I will also tell you some real-time example. Okay, that's fine. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. So meet you tomorrow.